welcome to My Natural Hair Delights, where you can enjoy rocking your natural hair with all natural ingredients. My name is Brittany Shine, and in today's video, I'm going to show you natural hairstyle number 11. So this is 11 in sign language. I teach my son sign language all the time, and so he is like increasing in his learning skills. But anyway, so we are doing natural hairstyle number 11, and I just wanted to show you all what I have done to prepare for this hairstyle. So I have applied 3 natural ingredients, which is water, Moringa Delight hair butter, which is my hair growth butter that I've made, and it's also available on the website. And I have applied flaxseed gel to my hair, okay? Now, as you can see, I usually spray my hair with water, and then I apply my Moringa Delight hair growth butter, and then I apply the flaxseed gel to my hair. And so, this hairstyle requires 4 sections in the back. So I parted my hair in 4 sections in the back, and as you can see, I'm doing a twist out. I'm preparing a twist out in the back, and I'm gonna do like a little design at the top here. So what I've done is I've braided my hair to my scalp. I parted my hair in the middle first, then I parted on each side. So I parted on this side and this side. Then I part the middle of this section and the middle of this section. So it gives me 4 sections in the front. And so this is a hairstyle that I don't usually do all the time, but we are having a formal family picture. And so this is like one of those formal hairstyles that I like to wear occasionally. And so that is why I'm doing more than what I would normally do to my hair. But so I did 4 braids. I did a braid scalp in each section, so 4 braids, and then I twisted the rest at the bottom. Now what I'm going to do is I'm not going to take these twists down. I'm going to pin it up at the top, and I'm going to leave these twists overnight, and I'm just going to let it produce a nice fluffy twist out in the morning, which is actually morning time right now. I need to go to bed. So so I am doing that, and so I'm going to show you all what the hairstyle looks like after, I wake up in the morning and I'm all dressed up and dolled up and ready to go. All right, so it is the afternoon now. It is like the next day after the next day that I said I was gonna do it. But I just wanted to show you all what my hair looks like done it. So I double wrapped my hair with the silk satin wrap, and this is what my hair looks like in the back. I just pinned it down. Yes. Okay. So you can actually leave your hair like this and just have like a little style in the back, but I'm gonna take the twist down. I stretched my twist to keep the length of my twist because I noticed that if I just wrap it up any kind of way, sometimes my twist can come out crooked. So I just wanted to stretch it out just to make sure that when I take it down again, that it'll stay in its place. So like I'll pin it down this way and pin it down this way to keep the length of it. And so I'm gonna keep going. Twist down. It's a very popular natural hairstyle. And I'm pretty sure a lot of you already know what the twist out is, but for those of you who may not know what it is, it's basically just twist taken down, and you're having like a wavy natural hairstyle that comes from the twist. So this is called the twist out. Okay, and this is what I've done in the back while keeping the style in the front. So, alright, so this is what my hair looks like after taking down 4 twists in the back and keeping a nice looking fancy hairstyle at the top. This is something that you can do on special occasions whenever you're looking for like a natural hairstyle that is elegant and just more on a formal scale. You can rock this hairstyle. This is I don't even know what to call it, but I basically just braided 4 braids at the top. I've just braided to my scalp and twisted it, twisted the bottom, and then I twisted the back and just took the twist down in the back to give it a nice twist out. So I'm gonna show you all what it looks like all the way around. That is all for today. Thank you all for watching. I have a special clip for those of you who have subscribed to the 24 Natural Hairstyle series. This gives more in depth of what the video was about, and I will be posting more full tutorials on the website, so stay tuned. If you have not already subscribed, please like, share, and subscribe to My Natural Hair Delights. And you can also check out more tutorials on YouTube at My Natural Hair Delights. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, okay? So thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye-bye.